Who's calling? That's my baby girl on the phone.
Hi guys, by the way, I'm Oni Reray. Today, we'll show you a sample of a parking lot monitoring system and explain to you the step-by-step process and how it works properly. With my group mates, Mr. Fantilo Remigio and Mr. Idlor Pinkiba. Okay guys, this is the program proper of this, how to run our monitoring system. Go to save it in drive C, and that's the monitoring system. And let's open SQL Server Management, then run. Click yes. So this is the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio Express. You set the server connection or server name, connect, then following summary: database, security, server objects, duplication management, and this is the server connection, jumbo PC dash, and let's restore the database. Right click database and click restore database, and start up the computer. Go to drive C where our database has been saved. Click final, then bin, then debug, and database, and that's where our database has been saved. Then to restore the database, let's browse, add file. Okay, so we're in the backup, click, from C to monitoring, final, bin, and bug, and the database, the monitoring that back, then click OK, then okay, that's just a minor error. Okay, okay, let's check the database. Okay, and click OK. Oh, minor error, sorry. Just simplify it to database, click monitoring, then click OK. Alright, loading. Okay, we have been connected to our database. Click OK, then click the database again to check. Okay, been connected already. these are the, let's check the tables. Okay, these are the following tables. Then let's go to the proper coding. Click Microsoft Studio. Open. Okay, yes. Okay, it's Visual Studio, Microsoft Visual Studio, and let's open the file, our monitoring system. Open file. Okay, let's go to my computer. To see monitoring system, open, click, then, and click the final. Okay, I think it's ready for launch.
Here's the following features of parking lot monitoring system. First, open your Enter connection form where you can input your server connection, and you can find your server connection here, jambox/pc/SQL Express. And here's the connect code. Here's the server name and the database name. And next is the login form. After you log in, you will be in the main page. So let's wait. Wait. Okay, here's the main page. Here we have customer entry, customer details, customer payment, customer list, customer out, and reports, and the logout. Our parking lot monitoring system consists of 8 blocks. Each block has 2 slots, as you can see here and here. In the left navigation, you have a customer entry. Click customer entry form, and in our customer entry we have plate number, parking block, parking number, the date, and the time. Next is the customer details. Let's click the customer details form. Sorry for the convenience. In customer details we have plate number, model, vehicle type, next is the customer payment. Okay, let's open the customer payment form. Customer payment form, we have parking number, payment ID, payment, amount, person in charge and the change, and you can click the receipt in order to show you the receipt. The next is the customer list. Okay, let's open the customer list form. So these are the list of the customer records. And here is the customer report. So click custom. This is the customer in, the customer out, and list of the customer. This is the list of the customer out report. And this is the customer list in report. To make you understand the system, I will run the program and show you how it works. You can click start debugging or press F5 to start the program. Here's the splash screen, and here's the enter connection. We copy the server connection name and paste that server connection name and press enter. Server name has been changed, and click OK, and you'll be in the login form. And monitoring, we have admin login. Click modify. Here's the admin username and the admin password. And click open table. And the admin username is admin and the admin password is admin. And so the username is admin. I'll type the username and the password and click login.
This is our main form of parking lot monitoring system. As you can see, this white block represents vacancy, assuming that if you want to park, just click B2 and block B, and it's input customer entry. Plate number is 1234 123, or PNO and 1 abstract PNO 890. Okay, then save. Are you sure? Yes. And the details entry goes to the database, and these are the fields. The next, then the customer details, in specific, the vehicle type and the model. Type is car, the model is Ferrari. Save. Sure? Yes. Okay, the next. And for the customer payment, the payment ID is PNO PID ID 890, and the payment that's 45, and the amount is 100. The person in charge is Mr. Panfilo Remedio. The heartthrob of ACLC Mandaue, and then save. Okay, customer payment has been saved. After the customer payment, these are the following fields filled, and black B is turns orange, so it is occupied. Then let's go to the receipt for the customer. Please wait, chillax, have a break, have a Kit Kat. Okay, this is the form for our preset. Okay, this is the receipt, and following is the person in charge, Pantulo Remedyo, the heartthrob of ACLC Mandaue. Parking number is 32. Customer ID is PID 890. The amount and the his payment or her is 45 pesos, and the amount is 100, and the change is 55. And if you want to print this, just click the printed report. Then if for us we don't have an actual printer, we'll just require you a virtual printer, and it's printing now because we have no budget for a printer. It's saved to desktop for the printing of our receipt. Okay, above, no, save. See sample, save, and just wait, just chill a moment, then close, and go to the sample, the receipt for customer. This will be the output. So this is the receipt of the following customer. What's the park? Official receipt. And then the black P is taken, is occupied. And then if you want to out or get up the parking, just click B out and then save. This will be the basis for our report, or the list of the customers, that for security purposes. And then the B1 or B2 rather is available again, back to its default form, and let's go to the customer list. Also, this is the complete details of the customer: plate number, parking block, parking number, date parking, time parking, vehicle type, model type, parking number or the block number, payment, and change. Then close. Then let's go to the reports. Okay, these are the following in the reports. This is the customer in. Let's click. So this is the data in the customer, a list of customer. Just click in, then customer out. Okay, this is the what's the data in the customer out. Then close, and then that's it. That's how before just lag out, then back to normal, and then that's how our parking lot monitoring system. And before we forget, thanks for watching, and I hope this will be a big help to your future thesis or research for a system. And thank you very much. Momo. Chup chup.
This is a Flip Music.